How to make group chat on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can make group chat on Snapchat. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. After that, tap on your chat icon from the bottom left corner. Now once you're on your chat page, tap on the message icon from your top right corner. Now from here you have to select the contact that you like to add to this group. After that, you can also name your group. Tap on a new group name and then you can name your group. Now once you're done selecting the contact and writing your group name, simply tap on chat with group button from this interface, and with that now you have created a group in Snapchat and you can chat in the group. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.